What's up? Mr. Allen here. Time to do some math. We're going to find the total surface area of this figure below. All right, so this is a weird looking shape here. Kind of reminds me of like a layout maybe of like a house or apartment or something like that. The dimensions are a little small, but kind of that sort of feel. Now, if I want to find this total area here, there's really two ways of going about this. I can break the particular figure itself on the inside up into multiple rectangles, or perhaps in my preferred method in this case, because I'm visualizing a few less rectangles, I can actually just extend the outside here. So extend this, boom. I can extend this, and I can extend that, create one full rectangle. So I would have this dimension that I need and this dimension that I need. Can I get those things? Well, the top one, I would just be adding up the 3 feet, this 2 feet, and the 4 feet. That gives me 9 feet up top. And then for the side one there, we're going to have 1 foot, 3 foot, 2 foot. This sounds like a Dr. Seuss novel here. 1 foot, 3 foot, 2 foot, 6 foot. Okay, lovely. So my area of that whole big rectangle looks more like a square. There we go. Is going to be 9 times 6. That's going to be 54 feet squared. So that's the whole thing. Now I need to subtract out all my overage. So I got to figure out each individual little extra rectangle that we got going on here. So let's start with this one. What's the area of that going to be? Well, I know one of my dimensions is 3, but I got to figure out the other dimension. Can I do that? Well, if the total was 6 over here and I've got 2 accounted for right here, that makes this dimension right here 4. So 3 times 4, that's going to be 12 for that area. I'll add in my units later. All right, now the other one I already have both dimensions. We have 2 and 4. So this area is going to be area equals 2 times 4, which is going to give me 8. And then my last one up here, I also have both. That works out really well. I have 1 times 2, which equals 2. Boom, boom. So now I'm going to take that 54 and I'm going to subtract my sum of all those. So let's add all those blue areas up. And then so let's say rectangles. Ooh, I like that little apostrophe S. All right, so I've got 12 plus 8 plus 2. Well, 12 plus 8 is 20 plus 2 is 22. So my final here is going to be 54 minus 22. That's going to end up being what? 32 feet squared. Final answer. That was awesome. Can't stop us. Can't stop us. You want to throw a bunch of rectangles at us? We got you, man. We found out 4 rectangles there and some missing dimensions. That was awesome.